Hello friends, I am Dr. Sachin Mutha. Today let us study a very important topic of the cardiac system, that is CCF or congestive cardiac failure. It is also termed as heart failure. First of all, what is CCF? In CCF, there is the inability of the heart to pump properly, that may be systolic or diastolic, and it does not fulfill the body's requirement. Also, there is a decrease in the cardiac output. What are the basic symptoms in CCF? The basic symptoms in CCF, that may be dyspnea, shortness of the breath, fatigue, etc. What are the clinical features? In clinical features, I have prepared a mnemonic that is from A to Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Like this I have prepared by taking the double or two alphabets. So let's start for the clinical features from A to Z. For AB, that is the apex beat is shifted. For CD, that is your cardiac dilation. Then for EF, that is your edema of the feet. Then for GH, that is your giant hepatitis. For IJ, that is the increase in the JVP. For KL, that is the congestion in the lungs. Then for KL, MN, that is there is a no murmur. Then OP, that is the orthopnea. Then OP QRST, that is the ECG changes. Then UV, that is the urine output or urine volume reduction. Then UV WX means your increase in the weight gain, excessive increase in the weight gain. And YZ, that is a yellowish discoloration of the conjunctiva. This is all in short for the clinical features. Now in short, I have prepared a mnemonic for the treatment. For the treatment, I have prepared a mnemonic that is MAD dog. M for morphine, A for aminophylline, D for dopamine, D for digoxin, O for O2, and G for the gases, arterial gases we have to check in the CCF. This is in short the treatment. Now let us study the classification of the CCF or congestive cardiac failure drugs which are used. For the classification of the drug, I have prepared a mnemonic that is Kabaddi CNS. Whenever we play the game Kabaddi, in India the Kabaddi is famous. Whenever we play the game Kabaddi, we always keep in mind that while playing, we keep in mind that is the CNS, we keep in mind that we have to touch the center line which is present in between both the boxes. So we have to touch that line so that we can win the game. And by keeping in this mind the scene, I have prepared the mnemonic that is Kabaddi CNS. Now we'll discuss the mnemonic that is K. It is for CCF, and the other mnemonic it goes as AA, B, A, D, D, I, C, N, S. So let's start from A. It is your AC inhibitors, and there the examples are Pril, that is your Ramipril, then your Lisinopril, etc. Then after A, again the second A, that is your angiotensin renin blockers, receptor blockers, and there the examples may be all be the TUN, that is losartan, then telmisartan, candesartan, etc. AAB, for B it is your beta adrenergic blocker, and there the examples are all LOL, atenolol, then metoprolol. Then B, AABA, again A, that is your aldosterone antagonist, and the example is spironolactone. Then AABAD, D it is for diuretic. For the diuretic there may be again that is the two type, high ceiling and the thiazide. For the high ceiling the example is your furosemide. Then for thiazide the example is hydrochlorothiazide. Then it is your metazolam. Then for AABAD, I, for I there is the type which is inotropic. For inotropic I have prepared one more mnemonic that is PICS, PICS. P for your PD3 inhibitor, and there the example is milrinone. Then for I, that is your inotropic. Then for PIC, C it is your cardiac glucoside, that is the example digoxin. Also one of our friend have discussed in a very proper way, so you can please refer to that video of by Dr. Akash Pawar. Then PIC, yes it is for sympathomimetic, and the example that is the dobutamine, which we already discussed in the adrenergic drug classification. There the pressure agonist and the cardiac stimulant where we have discussed, and the examples which are dopamine and dobutamine. Then Kabaddi CNS, for C it is your calcium sensitizer, and there the example is your levosimendan. Then for N, that is your neprisilin inhibitor, and the example is sacubitril. Then it is your CNS. S is synthetic BNP, and the example is nesretide. This is in short I have prepared, because congestive cardiac failure, always there is some other question in the exam, in the short note or in the long question or in the MCQs. So try to memorize in very short and precise manner which I have made. Try to listen up to the end so that you can come to an idea even if the question comes in any form. Now let us study some of the MCQs. For the first MCQ which I have made, that is, what is the half-life of digoxin? 12 hours, 24 hours, 36 hours or 48 hours? And the correct answer is yes, 36 hours. Then the second MCQ, that is, what is the drug for the cardiogenic shock? Choice of drug for the cardiogenic shock among these: adrenaline, then nifedipine, then your propranolol and dobutamine. Yes, the answer is dobutamine. Now the third MCQ, what is the treatment of digitalis toxicity? What is the treatment of digitalis toxicity? The first one, hemodialysis. The second one, defibrillation. The third one is adrenaline, and the fourth one is digitalis antibody. Yes, the answer is digitalis antibodies. Now the MCQ for all of you, which you should comment in the answer box, that is, what is the long form of BNP? What is the long form of BNP? Hope you like this MCQ and this classification which I have prepared in a very short and precise manner. For further more classification and the mnemonics, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.